What does return true/false actually do? Python. I've added in a sample code below just so you have a frame of reference for what my question actually is. I always see programs with if statements that return true or false, but what is actually happening here? Why wouldn't you just want to put a print statement for false/true? I'm lost here.
Because most of the time you'll want to do something with the result other than print it. By using a return value, the function does one thing, do the calculation, and the caller can do whatever it wants with it, print it, write it to a database, use it as part of some larger calculation, whatever. The idea is called composability. Also, your example doesn't currently make much sense as it will always return false after evaluating x is greater than y but doing nothing with the result. Perhaps you meant something like then is underscore greater is something that can easily be used in whatever context you want. You could do. In real life you probably wouldn't use a function to do something so trivial, but hopefully the example makes sense.
Functions which return true, false are used in further statements like if. Like this. You should take a look at variables and control structures. This URL.